Jamb spends 1.85 billion naira on refreshment and killing mosquitoes. You know, say now everybody can come give audit and report of what they use their budget do.
Oshobole has say, so you spent 850 million on security, clearing and fumigating in 2024. What did you fumigate? Is it mosquito that took all this money?
Gross embezzlement. And when some person just come talk say Nigeria is not a healthy place for investor, they go start to bash the person. And I bet you they see all these things. You just say foreign investors, they're not fools. No. They know your Nigeria pass you. Say make they couple money. If one person talk now, you say they deface the country. Nobody they deface any country. The activities of the country they show. We need to do better, especially from the top.
Chook Mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.